We have just heard from the Zebec team themselves about what actually happened to the ZBCN tokens during the buyback. So guys, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the announcements that came out recently because there's been a lot of people that have been covering this thing over on X. You guys all know ZBCN and the Zebec network are one of my favorite cryptos for the next bull run, and I'm super bullish on it. This channel is super bullish on it. And if you guys are new to this page, I talk about crypto every single day. I try to upload 2 to 3 videos right here on this channel. So if you guys stay until the end and you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. With that being said, guys, let's get straight into today's video. And as always, remember, this is not financial advice. So right off the bat here, we're taking a look at Zebec, which is sitting at 2066. In the last month, it is down 17%, had a little bit of a recovery within the last 24 hours, up 6% from the lows of about 0.0019. So in terms of market cap, it got as low as 193 million, and now we're back above holding on that $200 million mark. And now, guys, let's be honest, the markets right now have been looking bleak for the last couple of days. One thing that I've been telling you guys, as well as my Discord a little bit more in depth, is that I think that June, July, we're going to see a little more signs of strength, right? In July, we're going to see it recover a little bit, try to build some more confidence back in the market. And that is exactly what we're seeing with Bitcoin right now. We're seeing it at 65,300, Ethereum hovering over 1,900. And there are so many opportunities right now on the Robinhood chain that are presenting itself, and we have been buying heavily. So if you want to know exactly what cryptos that I am buying in a market like this, in a bear market, then you need to be a part of my inner circle. We've called a bunch of plays on here. One of the plays did a 12x, one of them did a 3x. Some of them were losers, but again, guys, these ones obviously make up for it. Now, if you guys want to know exactly what cryptos I buy and sell, join the inner circle, be a part of it, guys. My private Discord group, not only just that, exclusive content every single exclusive content that you cannot find on YouTube, and weekly live streams inside of there every single Wednesday. Click the link down below and join, and I'll see you guys inside of that. Now, taking a look at Zebec, there is some things that I wanted to cover. The first one being Zebec just made one thing very clear about ZBCN. Okay, now Simon, who is the CEO, kind of said this. So you can see here, our Q2 2026 ZBCN buyback is complete. We've purchased 48,494,463 ZBCN, which is worth $100,000 this quarter as part of a reoccurring buyback program. The ZBCN buyback program continues to expand across the Zebec ecosystem. Purchase tokens are locked and will not re-enter circulation, which is something some people had a question about. So let's take a look to see if Simon kind of addresses here. While many are familiar with the long-standing ZBCN buyback program, some context on its history. While token burning was included in the token mechanics of the initial ZBCN token, a DAO vote was passed in January 2024 to pause burning to conform with listing requirements for certain centralized exchanges. After the migration to the current ZBCN token, a second DAO vote was passed in October 2024 to reinstate the ZBCN buyback program using revenue from Zebec cards. Our buyback program has officially expanded significantly since then, with over 500 million tokens out of circulation, custodied with Uphold Institutional. These tokens will never re-enter supply, and we have recently expanded our buyback program to include fees paid in Zebec with our new Super App and Enterprise Payroll Suite. Pending new exchange listings this year, the project will revisit a DAO vote later in the year for the community to decide the direction on token deflation. Now, the one question, very similar to all of you that you guys might be having, okay? You can read here, right? Repurchase ZBCN does not re-enter circulation again. We understand that. Buyback scale with Super App and Enterprise. Next round announced on Monday. Now, shout out to Brian Nichols, very good friend of mine. He's asking the same question that a lot of people are asking, and a lot of people have on their mind, and this is obviously not any type of FUD. If these aren't going back into circulation or have no plans of going into circulation, what is the plan to do with them? And here's some of the things that the community is thinking that might happen. Partly to pay staking rewards, maybe, and again, if that is the case, which could be likely, that does mean it does get put into circulation. Just because there's an X account of circulating float supply doesn't mean they're available to trade. The available float or available supply is what matters, and that can be reduced by staking and allocating to treasury, so you reduce without burn. Not going back in circulation means the coins will be vaulted and held by the company and will not be used for incentive programs. Out of circulation means exactly that. Gifting them for this or that puts them back in circulation. Pulling coins out of circulation is positive. Now, Another one says, from what I've gathered from the white paper and blog, it will be used for funding developer grants, reward ecosystem contributors, payouts for the super app staking, buybacks for a project. Likely this is usually more beneficial for their project and users. But again, doing this is going to put them back in circulation, which again is very interesting to hear. Now, with that being said, you can see Crypto Queen over here made this post. Zebec just made one thing very clear. Repurchase tokens will not enter circulation. Even bigger is that buybacks scale with super app adoption, buybacks scale with enterprise growth, and the next buyback for ZBCN begins starting Monday. DAO burn vote planned after upcoming exchange listings. This is a meaningful shift for tokenomics for Zebec, and why this matters is that for years crypto investors were worried about unlocks and dilutions, and those concerns have largely changed for Zebec. Final token unlock is complete, buybacks are funded by business revenue, and repurchase tokens stay out of circulation, which is hopefully going to remain. That's a very different dynamic than constant token emissions, and the flywheel looks a little bit like this. The more users that we get, right, the more volume that we see is equal to more payroll volume, more card transactions, more super app activity, more revenue, and larger ZBCN buybacks. The next catalyst, after new exchange listings, the DAO is expected to vote on burning portions of repurchased tokens. That would permanently reduce supply rather than simply holding bought back tokens. The community ultimately decides. Long term, the thesis becomes much simpler. No scheduled dilution, revenue-backed buybacks, potential supply burns, and growing real-world utility. Execution obviously still matters, but this is the type of tokenomics many investors want to see, including myself. ZBCN right now, guys, a token bounced off the support area at this low over here, which again is a very good sign. Pretty good green candle. Again, I wouldn't be surprised if we show signs of strength towards the end of this month, because July is supposed to be a relatively stronger month. Come August, September, October, be prepared for Bitcoin, for crypto as a whole, in my opinion, to make new lows. And if you guys are then going to be able to stomach that, weather that storm, I promise you, when the bull market does start, you will be thanking yourself, especially if you stayed consistent, and more importantly, if you were able to effectively buy during that time. So with that being said, guys, I really do hope you guys don't take this as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm only here to entertain and to educate you guys. And if that has worked, then hey, amazing. Now, on that note, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to know exactly what crypto I buy, I sell, you need to be a part of the inner circle, private Discord community right here. Click the link, join it down below, and I will see you guys inside of there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. And as always, family, remember, if you guys have any questions, reach out to me through the comments or message me on Instagram. And if you guys want to know exactly what crypto I hold, comment crypto down below, or what stocks I hold, comment stock down below, and I'll send it over. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all. Peace out.